Hello traders, welcome to No Play Trading channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can find the right setup or an A plus setup using the smart money concept strategy, right? So if you've been a trader for quite some time, I'm sure, but just by looking at the charts, you can tell that we in the buying market or the uptrend or bullish, you know what I mean? So okay, just by looking at the market, where can you start from, right? So in this case, we're gonna start by identifying the I, right? By the higher lows and the higher lows and the higher highs, right? So in this case, where's the share? Sorry. So in this case, where's the higher high and the higher low? So in this case, where's the higher high, right, and the higher low? So in this case, the higher high is this over here, right? This is the higher high right over there. Okay, we'll look at the higher low. We'll look at the higher low. The higher low is this over here, right? Now this is the second thing we're gonna be identifying is what? We're gonna be identifying the breaker structure. The breaker structure which is over here. Right? Now what's the third thing we're gonna be identifying? The third thing we're gonna be identifying is what? Sorry. It's the unmitigated order block. The order block that hasn't been mitigated yet. Do you see it? Yes. So the order block that hasn't been mitigated is over here, right? And you see, this is where price came and started buying from. Now, this is no coincidence, guys. This is proven data. Trust me. Your back test is gonna work well for you. It's like magic, guys. It's you know, when you do this for a long time, it becomes second nature. Trust me. Okay, on to the next. The same thing, guys. The same thing. You know, it's almost, you know, in the market, it's almost the same thing repeats. But you know, the problem comes in with the psychology. Otherwise, you know, the strategy part is very simple, guys. Trust me. Okay, so we go to the second. Same thing, guys. So here, breaker structure, right? You see over here, breaker structure. After the breaker structure, what do you look for? You look for the unmitigated order block in this case, which is here. You see, just using this same leg, guys, we haven't even gone to the next. You see, breaker structure, unmitigated order block, which is over here. Then there's also a valid pullback, right? This is your checklist. So let's look at the unmitigated order block and what it did. So my unmitigated order block is this. Now, why do I choose this unmitigated order block? Because it hasn't been mitigated by price yet. Okay. You see, I'm using my phone and my battery is even low. So let me do this quick so I can charge it. So what happened after this? You see, so this is my point of interest. Point of interest. You see, this is where price reacted from, guys. This is very simple. This is very simple, guys. Trust me. You know. So what happened next? You know, you can buy from here, guys. You can buy from here. You know, you would have bought from here. From here, actually. You see what price did? It even went up. You buy from here, price goes up. That's a quick one, guys. So what happened next after this? You know, on to the next. So, you know, this happens. By the way, when you buy from here, the strategy should be like the previous high. You know, when you in the downtrend, means the previous lower, right? Yes. So on to the next now. On to the next. On to the next, guys. So you see, now here there was like liquidity sweep over here. Here there was no breaker structure, just some liquidity sweep, right? Now what did price do, right? Wait, so you identify the higher high, the higher low, and higher high. Now what did price do? You see, price came back and broke this instead of reacting to this order block over here. Now what does that tell you? That actually tells you that price is likely to change the direction. Now, most of us traders, what we go wrong is that we think we know what the market is going to do next. We don't, guys. And that's not in your control. It's not like you don't know how to analyze the markets and or whatever. You just don't know what's going to happen in the market. That's not telling you that nobody knows. Trust me. I know your little mentors be here telling you that no, you have to. My strategy works 100%. Yada yada yada. But they don't know. They just want to buy you out so that you can buy their courses and stuff. They don't know what's going to happen. You know what I mean? So that's why you have to operate what's within your control, and the only thing that's in your control is your risk management. That's the only thing you can control, guys, because nobody knows what's going to happen in the markets. You know what I mean? And no strategy is 100%. No holy grail. That's what people been telling you. I'm sure you've read a lot of YouTube traders tell you that don't be changing strategies. Don't be caught into that web, guys. Anyway, let's go. Okay, what was I? So I was saying that when price breaks the previous lower low, it means that we are likely to change the direction, right? So you see, I already marked. So this is the weekend. You see the same thing, guys. So price changed, gave us the change of character. It basically means that price is likely to change the direction. So when you have the change of character, guys, the same thing, guys. This becomes your okay, this becomes your higher low, lower high, sorry. Yeah, lower high, sorry, since we like shifting to the downtrend, and this becomes your lower low, right? This. Now there's a breaker structure over here. That's what I'm calling the change of character, and there is a pullback already, which I've marked as inducement. Now after you do that, what do? You check if there is any unmitigated order block. In this case, this unmitigated order block, the decisional, and we have the extreme unmitigated order block. Now we in the we trading JBP USD, and we on the weekend right now. So we hoping that price, looking at this analysis, this is actually the right setup. So when price goes here, gives you the entry, you can sell, right? But I always tell people not to put the sell limit over here on the decision on order block. Not to put the sell limit or buy limit on the decision on order block. Over here you have to wait for your entry. Here you can put the buy or sell limit. In this case you can put the sell limit, because here price is the possibilities of the price turning or selling are very high compared to the decisional one. You know what I mean? Not saying you cannot wait for the entry. You can wait for the entry, but here the possibilities of the price going down or selling are very high, guys. Okay, so this is the setup that I'm looking for this week. You gotta stay on the lookout too, guys. So that's it for today. Hopefully, and let's have a good week, guys, and let's continue managing risk like you guys always do it. Please don't break your rules, no matter what. All right, guys, that's it for today. Make sure you subscribe, you leave a like, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Ciao, ciao.